Imagine you're sending a secret message to a friend. You don't want anyone else to read it, so you scramble the words in a way that only your friend can understand. This is the basic idea of cryptography, protecting information so that only the intended recipient can understand it. Now, what if I told you that cryptography is the backbone of blockchain technology? Without it, blockchain wouldn't be secure, transparent, or trustworthy. But don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius to understand it. In this video, we'll break down cryptography in the simplest way possible, using real-life examples. By the end of this video, you'll understand 1. What cryptography is and why it's important. 2. How cryptography works in blockchain. 3. The different types of cryptographic techniques used in blockchain. Let's dive in! What is cryptography? At its core, cryptography is the art of securing information. It ensures that only the right people can read or access a piece of data. Think of it like a secret code that only certain people can unlock. Real-life example. Imagine you and your friend create a secret handshake. Only the two of you know it and no one else can fake it. That's cryptography in action, creating a unique secret way to verify something. Now let's see how cryptography plays a role in blockchain. How cryptography works in blockchain. Blockchain is all about security, transparency, and trust. But how does it achieve that? The answer is cryptography. When you make a transaction on a blockchain, cryptography ensures 1. Your data stays private. 1. No one can see your personal details. 2. Your transaction is secure. 2. No one can tamper with it. 3. Your identity is protected. 3. No one can fake your signature. Real-life example. Think of online banking. When you transfer money, your data is protected using cryptography so that hackers can't steal your information. Similarly, blockchain transactions use cryptography to ensure security. Now let's break down the two main types of cryptography used in blockchain. Types of cryptography in blockchain. Blockchain mainly uses two cryptographic techniques. 1. Hashing. 2. Public key cryptography. Let's explore each one in a simple way. 1. Hashing. The digital fingerprint hashing is like turning data into a unique fingerprint. No two fingerprints are the same, and once you create one, you can't change it back. Real-life example. Imagine you take a pizza and put it in a blender. Yes, really. Once blended, it becomes a mush, and you can't turn it back into a pizza. That's how hashing works. In blockchain, every transaction is turned into a unique hash, a string of letters and numbers. Even if you change one tiny detail, the entire hash changes completely. Why is hashing important? 1. It keeps blockchain data secure. 2. It ensures that once a block is added, it cannot be changed. 3. It helps in linking blocks together in a chain. Example of a hash. If we hash the word hello, it might look like this. 2 CF24 DBA5 FB0 A30 A26 E83 B2 AC5 B9 E29 E1 B161 E5 C1 FE 7425 E73043362938 B 9824. If we change it to hello, lowercase h, the hash completely changes. This makes blockchain extremely secure. 2. Public key cryptography, digital signatures. Now let's talk about another important concept, public key cryptography. It's like a digital lock and key system. Real-life example. Imagine you have a mailbox with a unique lock. Anyone can drop letters inside, public key, but only you have the key to open it, private key. In blockchain, every user has 1. A public key, like an email address that people use to send you transactions. 2. A private key, like a password, that only you know and use to approve transactions. Why is public key cryptography important? 1. It ensures that only the owner can access their funds. 2. It allows secure digital signatures. 3. It prevents fraud and unauthorized access. How cryptography makes blockchain secure. By now, you can see how cryptography is the security guard of blockchain. It helps in 1. Keeping transactions private and secure. 2. Preventing data tampering. 3. Verifying identities without revealing personal details. Real-life example. Think of a sealed envelope with a signature. The envelope keeps the message private, and the signature proves it's from the right person. Blockchain uses similar techniques to ensure security and authenticity. Conclusion. Why cryptography is the heart of blockchain. Without cryptography, blockchain would be like a bank without locks or security cameras. It wouldn't be safe at all. To recap, today we learned 1. Cryptography is the art of securing information. 2. Hashing creates unique digital fingerprints for blockchain transactions. 3. Public key cryptography ensures secure and verifiable transactions. 4. These techniques make blockchain secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. In the next video, we'll explore another exciting aspect of blockchain. Stay tuned and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to EduTube for more easy-to-understand blockchain content. See you in the next video.